lot of you asked questions about Broadway, what that's like. So we just thought we'd run through a couple of the typical dance moves you'll find in just about any Broadway show. And we had Missy here. We're going to show her some of our moves. So,
you want to start out with some good stretches. So, we have something here called a...
You want to stretch and do some arms.
We have something that we also call TheraBand.
Exactly.
And we take this, and it's... This is why we dress it. Everything. You just kind of...
Here.
You put your
Sandra's
foot
wearing
in it,
heels.
and
you poke holes in it. You're going to win this. No, what you really do is this. You get your partner, because normally you have a dance partner. You take one end. Here, you get your partner. Take it. Lean back. And you should really feel it right here in the quadricep. You just stretch, and then you release and come together slowly.